Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the next video and welcome to the channel. Welcome to the new subscribers. This is actually a video after the video I did today, which I said I would not trade today, but I did see a chance from where I was sitting with my computer and coding. So I just had to go and fetch that trade. I did it with a low position size because I told you guys I actually wasn't going to trade. I actually wanted to code a bit today for school. I still have to do my assignments and everything, and I didn't see chances. But when I saw the chance and I knew I couldn't stay behind my chart, I said, okay, let's do it for only 1%, and already we did actually almost caught it, almost, because there was a big one here of 11 million. I thought it would rise up until this level, but actually did not do it right away. But still there are a few left, so I hope I still make that trade. 109, 6159. It should have triggered. It should have triggered, but the exchange didn't trigger it. That's what I'm seeing right now. Because if you can see, guys, the high is 159 and mine is set at 132. So I still hope I can get it. So what I wanted to tell you about the previous statement, when the liquidator indicator, when everything is below the line, is going down, and here when it goes above the line, it's always going up. So as you can see, guys, this will lead maybe into a reversal point, but I luckily saw it. I just went for a look on my PC because I saw something was off with my chart, and I saw, oh, I am in luck. But as you can see, guys, if this candle will go under this line, then we're in for a fall again, a reversal, or whatever you will call it. I call it a drop, you call it a reversal, other people call it maybe something else. But I do hope it will rise up again and close it this time, because it's not fair, even though my price is set, that the exchange just says, oh no, we're not going to close it. So big shout out to exchange hyperliquid. Please do watch this if you're watching. This is a bug in my eyes. It's not fair at all, because it was highly above this price that was set here, 159 instead of 132. But now the only thing I can hope is it will rise a little bit more, but I'm afraid that will not happen again. I think we're now in for a fall again and a reversal downwards. But after this trade, boys and girls, I will not trade again for, yeah, maybe till tomorrow. This gives me, when it's lowering, then it's good. Uh, then I would keep going maybe. But like I said, I only like to ensure my profits while I'm up. I could raise it a little bit more. Normally 50% is my settings, but I calculated sorry, the price according to the one person that was here with the 11 million point one, and my price was actually set a little bit above his price, so it would have been a sure thing. But that's why you have to sometimes be behind your charts or set your risk controls in the exchange itself. So when you're not behind your screen, you just take the profit wherever you wanted to take it. So I hope this one will still rise up. We still have some juicy ones left, not too much I think. Some juicy ones here, two juicy ones here. These are these two probably. But we have more short licks than hard licks. The ML is still learning, so don't mind that. That it's a little bit off, but after when everything is set again, I can restart the learning process for my ML, and then it will be better. Then I can show you guys how that works. But everybody has his own strategy, his own trading um, pattern, whatever. I chose to mimic a bit of the buttons here. You can see I choose to mimic all these buttons and the close buttons for signaling me when it will when I have to do something. You could indeed also try to automate your trading, but that's not what this Quant app is about. So I am happy to hand trade with it, and as you can see, I will be right. Although I should have given it some more chance, because it will keep rising, I think, because this is lowering. But like I said before, guys, I am happy with a few bucks. I have a new all-time high. For me, small bits add to the bigger picture. That's what I try to learn with the BT system and everything. All small bits that I built in the 2 years added to the bigger picture with the BMAT system. Because every day you do something and you can build concisively, I think the word is. But I'm afraid now it will close, and now it will close. You'll see. It should have closed here, so I'm not very happy with the exchange right now. But I'm happy with what I got. I got a few bucks more, and I'm thinking if you see it, first it can drop very even above the line. It can drop seriously to get below the line, but I'm pretty sure that will not happen right now. Although here a juicy one. But I think we're in for a reversal. Let's see a bigger chart for a moment. Gonna put this one off, hide the marks. So to identify a range, so this could be a range, this could be a range. So actually it could go further up. I could say maybe to take it anyway. I just gonna refresh the page because I don't like this site. Hopefully now it's better. Not totally, but yeah, that's better. That's an old line, don't mind it. It's sometimes to set my profit marker or something to follow when I'm only trading here. When I'm away from screen, then you see I set my profit and my margin, stop loss, sorry. So now you saw, even with me doubting and first performing good, afterwards I doubted. I saw a chance a little bit later, because I saw this too, but I knew it was the end of the ride, and I didn't know because this was even, and I really didn't know. I had liquidator indicator shows the same thing, showed me two sides are equal, and the now was in the middle, so I couldn't make the choice then. But here there was a more concise choice I could make, because the liquidator indicator told me this, and it's still telling me this. This is also telling me still to keep going. I could do it, but I am not so sure right now. But hey, sometimes you gotta risk it. But that's called emotional trading again. That's what I'm trying to avoid, boys and girls, or sorry, gentlemen and ladies. Um, Sometimes you just have to be happy with your results. I had two wins today. Okay, they're small. In some eyes of people, they're small, but I have to think about my wallet. I can place a bet all in one, but I can lose it all in one as well. That's what you have to keep in mind, guys. Um, so actually, I am thinking, brainstorming right now. That's autism, guys. Getting pictures in your head, what can happen, what can go wrong. But as you can see, I changed my charts, and now I lost that. Now it's smoothed. I lost what is happening right now. That's more interesting, so it's a little bit my own mistake to make. People will ask me also probably what chart I mostly use. In this case, the 15 minutes, because the liquidation price is always only 45% away, and actually 50% away. I set it to 45 to ensure my not liquidating, because I do not like to pay more than necessary to lose the trade, because else it's a market order when it gets liquidated instead of a limit order, which you pay less for. Hmm. I'm really doubting, guys. Again, I won't take too much of your time. Um, Give me just a few minutes to go over some things. What's it saying now? The liquidator indicator actually is, the ML, the previous one is actually telling me we're going down, because I should enter here. So after the trade, I should have entered here, which, yeah, the trade did not close off, and it should have gone till here to close it off. So actually, ML, previous ML is telling me that I should go the opposite direction right now. The MACD probably tells me the same story, because we have a very interesting MACD right now. And like I told you guys, if you look at the 1 hour, but mostly I use the 15-minute one, because it's yeah, I don't like to hold on to the trade too long, because it takes also lots of fee for that. Um, but I could be wrong right now. As long as it doesn't drop below this line, It will not be bearish. It will still be bullish, but I am afraid if I look at the MACD that it will become bearish. But other indicators are telling me, this indicator tells me a different story. I can't rely on the old ML because it needs to be retested and everything, so I have to doubt it. It's like I told you guys, doubt your own system. Not I don't doubt my liquidator, but I doubt the ML because he is telling a totally different story than the liquidator indicator, who I trust more right now. I'm more assured that it will happen, but we're far away from this. This is why I believe the exchange will pick these guys out now next. They are the next in line, but also lots of gaps. 1.1, 1.3, 1.5 to 2. So these are very, very large gaps. So what could happen is something like this or this. That's what I'm thinking right now. But for the sake of it, I will not make a trade. I'm happy with my results today. It's weekend and still I made a nice profit. So I will bid you farewell, guys, and I will hope to see you in the next video. Bye!